Hello lovelies, and thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Now, in a previous post on my Facebook page, I mentioned that Close to My Heart are no longer showing us how to put together the scrapbooking or the card making workshop kits, which is a little bit of a shame, but totally understandable considering we can now have in-person events. So for those of us who can have in-person events, that's awesome. But for those of you who maybe can't attend in-person events, I thought I would have a go at doing what they do. I know I'm crazy, but there you go. So this is the Tutti Frutti Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. You can purchase the Tutti Frutti Scrapbooking Workshop Kit in two ways. You can buy it with or without memory protectors. So you can actually buy any of the the scrapbooking workshop kits with or without memory protectors. I tend to buy them without, just because I have a ton of memory protectors, so I figure I won't bother. What I'm going to do in this video is just walk you through what's included in the kit for the Tutti Frutti Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. I'm trying to keep these videos kind of short, so this one is just a walkthrough of what you get in the kit. You don't have to make it up as they recommend. I'll show you what you get in the kit so that you can do your own thing. And then I will show in subsequent videos the cutting and the construction of the kit. So let's dive straight in. As I mentioned, this is the Workshop Your Way Tutti Frutti Scrapbooking. The code, in case you're wondering, is G1255NP. So NP stands for no protectors, no protection. If you want the kit with the protectors, so that would come with four memory protectors, it would be G1255. So just like that. The one without protectors is $62. I'm not sure how much the one is with the protectors. Check it out on my on my website. In all of the workshop kits, you do get a really lovely printout of what the pages look like and how to cut it and everything, and we'll have a look closer at these when I'm doing the cutting and constructing. On the front, it does show you the pages that you will be putting together. So this is what you get to put together. As I mentioned, it's a really nice print. It's really lovely paper. The quality is really top notch. Now, if it's a little bit too small for you, you can actually go online and download the pattern. Just go to the workshop page and then scroll down, and there's a little icon there that says download, and you can download that pattern and then you can zoom into different things. So as well as the pattern, you also get in the Tutti Frutti, you get these Tutti Frutti mini shapes. So the mini shapes are super cute. Let's see if the camera will pick them up. And they're all different coloured little love hearts and melons. These colours just match in perfectly with the papers and everything. So that is just wonderful. Hello to everyone who's watching. Hi, Ruth, sitting making cards. I hope you're staying nice and warm. The sun came out here earlier today, which was nice. All right, so what else have we got in here? Well, we have this is one of the Close to My Heart shaker window foam and acetates. So I can tell already that we're going to be doing some shaking in these scrapbooking pages, which is unusual. Normally we use these on cards, but they're going to show us how to do this on a scrapbook page, which is pretty cool. We have some photo place holders. So that's some of them. And I've taken the sticker sheet out at one point just because I wanted to have a look at one of the stickers. So these are the Tutti Frutti stickers, and they have UV embossing on them, which just gives a beautiful shine to them. So you always get a sticker sheet. Here's some more photo place holders. And that just helps us when we're creating our pages, makes it easy for us to see. If we don't have photos ready, then we can pop these onto our pages, and when the pages are completed and they're popped back in the memory protectors, we can see exactly the size photos that we need. All right, what else have we got in here? That looks like another bag. It is another bag, okay. So I'll pull all of this out. So with most scrapbooking workshop kits, you do receive a sticker sheet and a full paper pack. So the Tutti Frutti paper pack has all of these gorgeous colours. We have 6 sheets, 2 each of a double-sided design, which you can see here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have, it's not wanting to lift up, 5, 6, so the sunnies and that, so 6 of those. We have these, now these are exclusive to the workshop kits, so these ones here are pre-printed, and these just pop out like so. They're really, really easy to pop out. I need to make sure I don't lose that piece now, otherwise that will not be very good. Here are some more, and again, I need to make sure that I don't lose any of these. These are strips, and I know that that is used on one of the layouts. We've got some more punch out pieces here, and as I said, you could always buy this and then use it however you like. So you could even use these on cards if you wanted to. So these, again, these are punch out pieces. So they're just going to punch out really easily. Very, very pretty. And then we have some exclusive papers as well. Again, you can only get these in the workshop kit. So they'll be white on one side and then patterned on the other. Different to the pattern paper that you can buy separately in a pack, because the others are double-sided. And isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? Just beautiful, that printed paper. So printed paper, and finally, oh, it's not finally, we also get some cardstock. So we get some Capri, and I'd say that's probably flamingo, and that's another green color that I'm not sure what it is, and some white cardstock. So we get a few of those. We'll need them all to create our gorgeous scrapbooking layouts. And with the Tutti Frutti, we also get these pieces. So these, again, these are pre-cut for us, and they will make up some of the scrapbooking layouts as well. So we've got some pieces that are, I would say they are used on the starburst type page, which is this one here. I'd say that's what that is. And then we've also got this one, which I would say will be used on the shaker window. So that's what's in the kit. Again, there's lots and lots inside the kit. You get cardstock, you do get instructions for scrapbooking, but if you think, oh, that's kind of cute what's inside the kit, I'm inventive and creative and could use that on a card, on lots of different cards, then there is nothing stopping you from purchasing the kit and creating something card-like with it. All right, but that is the end of this video. As I said, this one is short and sweet. I will be coming back on in not too long, in a little while, just to show you how we're going to cut these papers. So it'll be these papers that we're cutting. You'll also see how much paper is left over once we've cut, so you can make more cards or scrapbook pages. So we'll be cutting them, and then I'll also be going through and putting them, I like to put them into memory protectors so that I know that those particular pieces go with layout 1, those go with layout 2, and those go with layout 3. We will be creating 3 layouts, and then there'll be 3 separate videos going through putting those, constructing those layouts. So layout 1, layout 2, and layout 3, or project 1, 2, and 3. There you go, my lovelies. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching that. I hope that has helped if you've been curious about the Tutti Frutti. This is Tutti Frutti. Stay safe, keep crafting, and bye for now.